state line between Nevada and Arizona at the Hoover Dam today. A very historic site. It's a very warm day, and we bring more heat with the fire of the Olympic flame. Back to the vaults of antiquity, and links us to the sacred fields of ancient Olympia, where Greece gave birth to a dream of sport that has been embraced by all mankind.
Martha is the coach for the 1996 women's track and field team.
Of hope, for it is a pure symbol of the Olympic ideal, the radiance of friendships formed on the field of play, the beacon of justice and equality, the enlightenment of one citizen giving selflessly to another, the dream of a world united in peace. As we stand here together at this moment in time, we join the history of the Centennial Olympic Games. We join the global movement of men, women, and children who dream that our future will be a future of peace. The peace that fuels the flame we have the honor of lifting before the world today. May we always remember that the power and the glory of this moment and the light that it brought to our lives.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flame will be resting here for about another 20 minutes to a half an hour before it continues on its journey. Please stay back of the barriers. You're welcome to continue to view the flame. We have one other big thank you to do, and that's to Mr. Tim Ulrich and all the people here at the Bureau of Reclamation, all the people at the dam that put this celebration together for us today. Let's say a big thank you to them.